Okay, next we're going to talk about multiplying a binomial by a binomial, or our double distribution. Double distribution meaning we're going to take our two terms in the first set of parentheses and multiply them to both terms in the second set of parentheses. So the first step is to distribute the first term in the first binomial to each term in the second binomial. So I'm going to highlight that first term. My first term is the x. That's going to get multiplied to the x in the second set of parentheses and the 4 in the second set of parentheses. Now again, if you want to put the ones in front of here, you're allowed to. And if you want to put the ones as the exponents so that you can see where they're getting what we're getting here. 1 times 1 is 1x. And then I have x to the first times x to the first. I add exponents. 1 plus 1 is x squared. Next, I'm going to multiply 1x times 4. 1x times 4 is 4x. But I'm not finished here because all I did right now was distribute the x to both terms in the second set of parentheses. Now I have to distribute my second term to both terms in the second set of parentheses. So now I'm going to distribute my positive 2 to the x and negative 2, and the 2 to the 4 also. So again, you're going to distribute 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is 8. Now I'm going to put all of my answers together here. I have x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. And now I look to see, is there anything that I can combine here? I'm going to circle or box my like terms and combine them. So here I know 4x and 2x are like terms because they both contain an x variable and they both have a power of 1. So I can combine 4x plus 2x is 6x. Remember, when we're combining, we don't touch exponents. So my final answer is x squared plus 6x plus 8. And we need to rewrite our answer in standard form. Standard form means your exponents go from high to low. Or they go in descending order. So here I have an exponent of 2, then I have an exponent of 1, and then I don't have any variable here. So I know my answer is in standard form. I'm going to do example A. You're going to pause the video, try B, and then I'll put up the answer for you. So let's practice A together. Here I see a binomial times a binomial. I have 2 terms and 2 terms. So I'm going to start first by taking that x and multiplying to the x in the second set of parentheses and to the 4 in the second set of parentheses. So x times x is x squared. Remember, when you're multiplying, you add exponents. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. I'm not finished yet because now I need to multiply the positive 3 to both terms in the second set of parentheses. So I'm going to do 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Now I ask myself, is there anything I could combine? Well, I see I have a negative 4x. Do I have any other x terms? Yes, I have a positive 3x. So I can put these two terms together. Remember, you're not multiplying, you're just combining. So what's negative 4 plus 3? If you need to use your calculator, that's fine. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1x. Now, since we combined, we don't touch exponents. It just stays x. And I bring down the negative 12, and I bring down the x squared. Now, if you don't want to write the 1 there, you don't have to. Okay, here is your answer for B. So you can check your work to see if you've done it correctly. And now you are going to finish up the closure and the homework on your own. Make sure you're asking your teacher if you have any questions. So your job is to finish up the closure and the homework on your own.